अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो व्यूअर्स, आज मैं आपके लिए जूनियर पेट्रोल ऑफिसर के पास पेपर्स के एमसीक्यूज लाया हूँ, जो कि पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से मुनक्किद हुए थे। तो चलिए, बगैर किसी देर किए चलते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, सिकंदर मिर्जा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, तरबेला डैम इज ऑन रिवर। Option A is correct. Indus. Next question is, who is Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Option A is correct. Mahmood Khan. Next question is, which personality represented Pakistan in UNO, United Nations? Option A is correct. Patras Bukhari. Next question is, Durand line is between. Option A is correct. Pakistan and Afghanistan. Next question is, how many roundtable conferences were held? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. 3. Next question is, who wrote Friends Not Masters? Option A is correct. Ayub Khan. Next question is, Yom Takbir is celebrated on the 28th of May each year in commemoration of. Option A is correct. Nuclear test. Next question is, when first constitution of Pakistan was enacted? Option A is correct. 1957. Next question is, Indus Basin Treaty was held in the reign of. Correct answer is Ayub Khan. Next question is, the Amir Bhasha Dam is in. Correct answer is Gilgit. Next question is, Quran revealed in years. Correct answer is 23 years. Next question is, when Holy Prophet peace be upon him died. Correct answer is 632 AD. Next question is, who founded Baghdad? Correct answer is Al-Mansur. Next question is, who wrote Spirit of Islam? Correct answer is Sayyid Amin Ali. Next question is, which province of Pakistan is least populated? Correct answer is Balochistan. Next question is, who introduced basic democracy for the first time in Pakistan? Correct answer is Ayub Khan. Next question is, which of the following was the Ottoman capital? Correct answer is Constantinople. Next question is, the tribe of Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu was. Correct answer is Umayyah. Next question is, who was called conqueror of Egypt? Correct answer is Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas. Next question is, Najashi was the king of. Correct answer is Ethiopia. Next question is, Muhammad bin Qasim is closely related to. Correct answer is Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Next question is, how many chapters, paras are in Quran? Correct answer is 30. Next question is, who was the first Muslim king of India? Correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Next question is, river Tigris is in. Correct answer is Iraq. Next question is, Ushur is. Correct answer is 1 by 10th. Next question, who wrote Kitab ul Hind? Correct answer is Al Biruni. Next question is, who was named as Saifullah? Correct answer is Harat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Next question is, nature of novels of Naseem Hijazi is. Correct answer is historical. Next question is, native country of Alexander is. Correct answer is Macedonia. Next question is, theory of evolution is associated with. Correct answer is Darwin. Next question is, Sherlock Holmes is associated with. Correct answer is Arthur Conan Doyle. Next question is, Taliban recently opened their office in. Correct answer is Doha. Next question, America President Barack Obama's political party is. Correct answer is Democrats. Next question is, currently GST in Pakistan is general sales tax. Correct answer is 17%. Next question is, who has portfolio of defense? Correct answer is Nawaz Sharif. Who is president of Iran? Correct answer is Hassan Rouhani. Next question is, Al Taqsim Square is in. Correct answer is Istanbul. Next question is ICC Championship was played in. Correct answer is England. Next question is Titanic is. Correct answer is ship. Next question is who was the president of America during the American Civil War? Correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Next question is third martial law in Pakistan was imposed on. Correct answer is 5th July 1977. Next question is which of the following Muslims was Islamism during the 19th century? Correct answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question is who is president of Syria? Correct answer is Bashar al-Assad. Next question is which of the following American president was killed? Correct answer is JF Kennedy. Next question is Aswal Dam is in. Correct answer is Egypt. Next question is who gifted Statue of Liberty to the United States of America? Correct answer is France. Next question Prague is capital of. Correct answer is Czech Republic. Next question is which of the following Islamic countries has 2500 islands? Correct answer is Indonesia. Next question is Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated in. Correct answer is War of Waterloo. Next question is who is incumbent British Prime Minister? Correct answer is David Cameron. Next question is who compiled Guru Granth? Correct answer is Guru Nanak. Next question is Mother Teresa was. Correct answer is social worker. Next question which of the following kings was assassinated? Correct answer is Martin Luther King. Next question. By profession, ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is. Correct answer is economist. Next question is which was the capital of British India before Delhi? Correct answer is Kolkata. Next question is Torah is associated with. Correct answer is Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Next question is who is founder of All India Congress? Correct answer is A.O. Hume. Next question is Nakshe Faryadi is written by. Correct answer is Faiz Ahmed Faid. Next question is yen is currency of. Correct answer is Japan. Next question is Pele was famous player of. Correct answer is football. Next question is old name of Netherlands is. Correct answer is Holland. Next question in Roman counting XV is 15. Next question is Confucius is ancient philosopher of. Correct answer is China. Next question is UNO headquarters is located in. Correct answer is New York. Next question is Mohenjo-daro is in. Correct answer is Sindh. Next question is who introduced the law of motion? Correct answer is Newton. Next question is dermatology is disease of. Correct answer is skin. Next question is who introduced principle of gravity? Correct answer is Newton. Next question is solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between earth and sun. Next question is who was the first man at moon? Correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Next question is rainfall is measured with. Correct answer is rain gauge. Next question is who is inventor of computer operating system Windows? Correct answer is Bill Gates. Next question is bronchitis is associated with. Correct answer is lungs. Next question is a person or group made to bear the blame for others or to suffer in their place. Correct answer is scapegoat. Next question is on doing it daily, the task soon became a leisurely. Correct answer is routine. Next question is pick up the nearly associated word of to be at arm's length. Correct answer is distance. Next question is turn on one's heel mean to return. Correct answer is quickly. Next question is short-sightedness is. Correct answer is myopia. Next question is calculate 999 plus 8888 plus 777 minus is equal to 19,700. तो व्यूअर्स हमने इनको प्लस करके एंड पे जो माइनस वाली ये कह रहे हैं कि कौन सी अमाउंट होगी वो है 36 तब ये हमारा आंसर आएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट 0.8 plus 0.05 plus 0.369 plus 0.7683 is equal to। सिंपल हमने इनको ऐड करना है और ये आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा 1.9873। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट 6.837 प्लस 3.1469 इज इक्वल टू। इसको भी हमने सिंपल ऐड करना है तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा 9.9839। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट 15 माइनस 6.837 माइनस 3.1469। सिंपल हमने 15 में से ये दो अमाउंट्स को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 5.0161। ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अली अर्न्स रेस्ट 20.56 on first day, rest 32.90 on second day, and rest 20.78 on third day of week. If he spent half of the amount he earned in the first 3 days of week, find out the remaining amount. तो व्यूअर्स इसमें ये कह रहा है कि अली पहले 3 दिन ये अमाउंट्स कमाता है और वो हफ्ते के पहले 3 दिन में आधी अमाउंट अपनी खर्च कर देता है, तो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट कितनी बचेगी, तो उसका ये आंसर है 37.12। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट 4.56 प्लस 3.82 प्लस 5.06। इनको भी हमें सिंपली ऐड करना है तो आंसर आ जाएगा 13.44। सॉल्व। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व 0.8 डिवाइडेड बाय 10। हम इनको डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा ऑप्शन ए 0.08। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वाटर इज फॉर लाइफ। तो इसका जो आंसर है ऑप्शन ए indispensable। Next question is objective resolution was passed in option A 1949। Next question is first general election were held on in Pakistan in option A is correct 1970। Deficit financing is option A is correct printing new currency। Next question is Alexander native land is option A is correct Macedonia। Next question is there are how many planets in universe? Option A is correct 8। Jabir bin Hayyan was a famous Muslim. Option A is correct chemist। Next question is I will not join army as it is against my। Option A is correct creed। I will not be to the mistakes made by him। Option A answerable। तो व्यूज ये थे मेरे आज के जूनियर पेट्रोल ऑफिसर के पास पेपर्स के एमसीक्यूज। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप देख लोगे कि सारे ऑप्शन ए के आंसर करेक्ट है। मैंने खुद इनको ए पे रखा हुआ है क्योंकि आपको समझने में आसानी हो। तो ये इनके आंसर्स थे। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो वाकई अच्छी लगी तो आप मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करना है। अब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।